Hello, my name is Kenny. It's my design project. I chose to use solar energy as my energy source. Solar energy to me is something that can fix a lot of the world's problems. I'm actually very passionate about it. This would be the most passionate I've been about a project in this class, definitely. Because I think solar energy should be much more widely used. Because the way I see it is this big picture. Solar energy can solve so much of the world's problems. And the reason why we're not using it is because it is expensive. But I'm saying if we don't start using these renewable energy sources soon, money is not going to matter because the planet is going to go downhill. It's not going to be able to sustain life. So I think we need to take a step back on the solar energy topic and take it away from take away from just worry about how expensive it is. And I'm saying I really think solar energy, especially places in the desert like Arizona where we use a lot of air conditioning and a lot of sunlight comes in. Solar energy should be almost on every house because it's such an easier way for everyone to live. Pretty much, the energy would actually be cheaper. It saves the planet, that was between those two things. For it to just have a big upfront cost is ridiculous. Solar energy should be everywhere. Solar energy, if obviously you know this, but I guess I should explain it anyway, is the energy that comes from the sun. Usually it's put on solar to get solar energy. You use solar panels and you put them on top of a roof of like a house or a car or a building, and the panels attract and absorb the sunlight and then transform it into electricity, and it's then converted to be used for various things across the world. This technology is there, yet we seem to have a problem with using the wrong energy all around the planet, which doesn't make sense. It's just because it's a more upfront cost and I think personal thought that big business that is invested in these electro companies don't want solar energy to go through because they don't want like all that competition. So that's how I feel, and that's the energy I chose, solar energy.